नमस्कार दोस्तों, चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं सोशल साइंस का जो तीसरा पार्ट है, थर्ड पार्ट है, सोशल एंड पॉलिटिकल लाइफ का 7th चैप्टर। इसमें हम देखेंगे कि पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज़ ये चैप्टर की जो हेडिंग है, और इसमें हम देखेंगे इसकी एक्सरसाइजेस को। तो अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें और लाइक करके एक आध कमेंट भी लिखा करें। देखिए, आप लगातार देख रहे हैं तो कमेंट से थोड़ा सा उत्साह बढ़ जाता है। तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें। हम सीधे अब एक्सरसाइजेस को स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जो हमारा, व्हाई डू यू थिंक देयर आर सो फ्यू केसेस ऑफ प्राइवेट वाटर सप्लाई इन द वर्ल्ड? आंसर करना है हमें। There are very few cases of private water supply in the world because water is an essential amenity. Water supply is a public facility that every government must provide to all citizens of a state. In case where water supply was placed in the hands of private companies, the prices of water rose, making it unaffordable to the masses. This result in riots, protests, and violent demonstrations in countries like Bolivia. Hence, it has been deemed best that the government must handle water supply services. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन को देख लेंगे। Do you think water in Chennai is available to all, affordable by all? Discuss. Do you think water in Chennai is available to and affordable by all? आंसर करना है हमें। Water in Chennai is not available to and affordable by all. Availability of a good regular water supply is proportion to the level of income and earns. In this city, senior government official in areas like Anna Nagar can get a whole water tanker arranged for themselves. Most areas like Mylapore get water once in 2 days. In Medipakkam, people buy bottled water for drinking purpose, but the situation is the worst in slums. Here, water supply runs for barely an hour every day from a single tap, serving over 30 families for all their water needs. ये सेकेंड क्वेश्चन हमारा कंप्लीट होता है। थर्ड क्वेश्चन को हम देख लेंगे। हाउ सेल ऑफ वाटर farmers to water dealers in Chennai affecting the local people? Do you think local people can object to such exploitation of groundwater? Can the government do anything? तो आंसर करना है हमें। The sale of water by farmers to water dealers in Chennai is affecting the local people in various way. कई प्रकार से ये प्रभावित करता है। तो इसके हम कुछ रीजंस देंगे। The water they are taking away is for irrigation of agriculture. Because of this exploitation, irrigation and so agricultural to bound to suffer. This water is also the general supply and drinking purpose of the village. As a result of heavy exploitation of water, the groundwater level dropped drastically in these areas. तो ये कारण है. उसके बाद हम लिखेंगे yes, the local people can object the such heavy exploitation of groundwater since it is public facility or nature's gift on which everyone has equal right and so nobody can sell or take away exclusively. The government need to play a crucial role to find out the suitable alternative in this regard. Our constitution recognized many of the public facilities, including access to safe drinking water, as being a part of right to life. So the government must see that these rights are protected so that everyone can lead a decent life. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन को हम देख लेंगे. Why are most of private hospitals and private school located in major city and not in town or rural areas? आंसर करना है. The distribution of public facilities in our country is inadequate, the largely unfair. For example, urban areas are provided with and consume more electricity than villages or townships. Most metropolitan cities consume vast amount of power for marketplaces, multiplexes, and air conditioning, while villages and towns bear huge power cuts even the summer so much so that there is no electricity available to them for domestic purpose too. This is a gaping gap in the distribution of just one of the public facility provided by the government. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को हम देख लेंगे. प्राइवेट एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट, स्कूल, कॉलेजेस, यूनिवर्सिटीज, टेक्निकल एंड vocational training institute are coming up in our country in big way. On the other hand, educational institutes run by the government are becoming rarely less important. What do you think would be the impact of this? Discuss. आंसर करना है. Private educational institute levy very high fees which only affluent people can afford. So equally education will be the right of only the rich. If educational institutions run by government are not up to the mark, the weaker section of society are deprived of quality education, and result of this disparity will be that only the rich will get good education while the poor will be deprived of it. तो इस तरह से ये हमारा, अगर चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी कर लें. इस तरह से हमारा ये 7th चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइजेज उनको हमने सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर को देख लिया है और आप इनको परीक्षा की दृष्टि से तैयार कर लेंगे आशा करते हैं. और पुनः चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. धन्यवाद.